Hi, my name is Brian Krug, and I'm a technical lead at Syngenta Flowers. And I'm here to talk to you about our Grower Success Guide. Our Grower Success Guide is a great resource that boils down all of our cultural information for all of our plant products into one resource. It's available in a print form. It's also available as a PDF download flipbook if you don't have the print form already. There's so much information that we're going to break this up into three parts. And in part one, we are going to talk about just our vegetative and seed annuals, the information in there. So we're going to focus right now on the vegetative annuals, both propagation and finishing information. In the propagation section of the vegetative annuals, you're going to see things like the recommended tray size to use, the product form, whether it's an unrooted cutting or URC or a callus cutting or a CC, and then if it's available in an auto stick form. You'll see if we recommend rooting hormone, the recommended mist times and strategies with misting, pinching, our recommended pinching or propagation time that it will take to get a rooted liner, and then some environmental parameters. You'll also see that there's some tech tips there that give you an idea of like some PGRs to use in propagation and other tricks that might make you more successful. When we look at the finishing part of our vegetative annuals, all a lot of the same information with a little bit added information. Right up here at the top, we'll see our finishing program layout, and it gives an idea of how long it's going to take from transplant to finish for different product sizes. You'll also see that we have our varieties listed here for some of our series, and that corresponds with the timing, whether it's a late or an early flowering, also vigor, compact, medium, or vigorous, and then finally, if it pertains to that series, the minimum photoperiod requirement. When we look at our seed annuals, both in propagation and finish, we'll see that it's a lot of the same information. We do add like the forms, whether it's a raw or pelleted seed, how many seeds per cell you might want to put in the cells, whether you need to cover that seed after you sow it, and other information that you might need to be successful in germinating that plug crop. Finally, when we look at the finished portion of the seed annuals, very similar things that we mentioned in the vegetative annuals. We've got the pests and diseases there, some potential PGRs that you might use for finishing, and those really great tech tips to make you take your growing to the next level. Use this Grower Success Guide as a quick reference for all of your growing needs. As I mentioned before, if you don't already have a Grower Success Guide, go to our website and download the PDF flipbook. Have a great growing season.